Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to buy Lucky Block crypto with Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. So first you will need to download Trust Wallet. I will leave a link in the description as to how to download it. And since for this video purpose we will be using this Trust Wallet. So for first what you need to do is go to receive, because you won't see this Lucky Block option. Go to receive and search for Lucky Block and just click on it. Now once you go to your wallet and after a refresh, then this Lucky Block token will come over here. Now if you click on Lucky Block token, there is no option to directly buy it. So the option to buy it usually comes over here, which as you can see it's not here. So what you need to do is you need to click on this smart chain, the black one, the black BNB, and at the top you can see you have now the buy option. Just click on that. Okay, the minimum amount is 50,000 $50, where you can get BNB, and the maximum is $20,000 per transaction. And as you can see, the third party provider changes for the amount that you put in. So for me, for $50 the best one is MoonPay, and for 20,000 the best one is RAM. So once you buy, the BNB will reflect in your Trust Wallet. Now what you need to do is, at the bottom of the screen there is something called as DApps over here. So you will need to click on DApps, and in DeFi just go to PancakeSwap. After it loads up, you need to connect your wallet to the PancakeSwap. Since I am already using it, my wallet is already connected. If not, then you will need to click over here and connect your Trust Wallet with PancakeSwap and authorize it. Now also you will need to swap your BNB with Lucky Block token. So as you can see over here, first you will need to go to trade, and then the option will come to swap, and here you can swap your BNB token with L Block token. Okay, now if you click on this and type for Lucky Block, if you are using it for the first time, this Lucky Block won't show up like this L99 LFC tokens. Then you simply have to import the token. Click on import and then it will show up. Now let's say if you want to buy a Lucky Block token, like I will just put in one BNB for a test purpose. As you can see that as per the current rate, I am getting more than 200,000 Lucky Block token. Since there is no balance in my wallet right now, in my test wallet, so there option comes here to swap the tokens. So once you click that, then the tokens get swapped. So your BNB would be converted into Lucky Block. So once that is done, you will need to authorize the transaction, which you can see it on BSC scan, and then you need to head to the home screen and refresh it 3 to 4 times. After few seconds, the Lucky Block amount will come over here. It will start showing in a wallet. So this is the simplest way to buy a Lucky Block token with PancakeSwap and Trust Wallet. And you can also buy it from L Bank, which is an exchange and second alternative. And Lucky Block in the future is going to be listed on major exchanges, where you have the chance to buy it using fiat. So fiat is nothing but your currency. So you can directly buy it buy with your credit card or debit card. So hopefully you guys understood how to buy Lucky Block token. And if you still have any doubts or queries, please feel free to leave a comment. I will check it and reply it as soon as possible. So thank you for watching my video, guys.